So currently, this turbo kit is for my bike, and I probably make another one later in the future. Later. Will it be later in the future?
Yeah, it'll be
Oh,
later.
this is Max, by the way.
Hello,
Hold on, let me
okay.
stop that light, and then that's my goofy little brother over there, Quabna. You look gay. So we're just TIG welding this real quick. I popped some welds on that real quick. I'm gonna hand the camera off to Max. What's back there? I'm about to burn myself. This is gonna be great. Sorry, just off the cuff update video, but I was going to try to do a live video thing, but I couldn't. So I was like, I might as well just jump in right into it. Hey, Kwame, right? Arc this, look directly at the arc, okay? Don't look directly at the arc, please. Good look, Max. Looks pretty good. Too bad the rest of it ain't good like that.
There it goes. It's focusing now.
It's focusing? Alright. I used a shitty ass MIG welder to start this off, and that was my mistake, and that's why there's big old blotches. I had made another turbo kit for the guy in the UK, and it doesn't have these blotches because, let's be honest, I wasn't using a shitty MIG welder. So I'm gonna do this and take a picture of it when I'm done, guys.
Right after I got it.
Perfect.
It was yellow,
Let me
and
stop
the
that
toilet
phone.
paper was still in there. What the hell you go pee at the sink?
That's good.